8 health problems you can fix with Epsom salt if you're over 50. The average person over 50 takes about 4 to 5 prescription medications daily, yet many still struggle with joint pain, sleep issues, and declining bone density. But what if I told you that a simple, inexpensive remedy, costing less than your morning coffee, could help address these concerns? Today, I'm uncovering how Epsom salt benefits the aging body and the most effective ways to use it. Whether you've used Epsom salt before or just hearing about it, stick with me because these insights might transform your health. If you're already a fan of Epsom salt, give this video a quick like so I can see how many of you know its amazing benefits. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on natural health tips designed to help you thrive. What is Epsom salt and why is it so effective? Unlike table salt, which we sprinkle on food, Epsom salt is actually magnesium sulfate, a compound with remarkable health benefits. It was discovered in the 1600s when people noticed that water from a mineral-rich spring in Epsom, England, had healing properties. The secret lies in its high concentrations of magnesium and sulfate, two essential elements that play a vital role in overall health. Magnesium is essential for over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, playing a key role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and energy production. Sulfate aids in nutrient absorption, detoxification, and maintaining healthy joints. What's truly fascinating is that Epsom salt is absorbed through the skin, making it one of the easiest and most natural ways to replenish magnesium levels, especially since many of us become deficient in this mineral as we age. Certain medications, stress, and diet deficiencies can contribute to low magnesium levels, leading to muscle cramps, sleep disturbances, fatigue, and joint pain. Now, let's explore 8 powerful ways Epsom salt can support your health after 50 and how to use it effectively. Improve sleep quality. Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night or waking up multiple times? Epsom salt can help promote deep restful sleep by calming the nervous system. Magnesium plays a key role in producing GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter that encourages relaxation, while also helping to regulate melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. How to use it for sleep. If you're looking to improve your sleep, try a full bath by dissolving 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt in warm water and soaking for 15 to 20 minutes about an hour before bedtime. If you don't have a bathtub, a foot soak works just as well. Simply dissolve 1/2 cup of Epsom salt in warm water and let your feet soak for a relaxing sleep-enhancing experience. Many people report going from restless nights to sleeping through until morning with this simple routine. 2. Strengthens bones. Most people know that calcium is essential for strong bones, but did you know that magnesium is just as important? Around 60% of the magnesium in your body is stored in your bones, and it plays a critical role in activating vitamin D, which helps with calcium absorption. Without enough magnesium, calcium supplements may not be as effective. How to use it for bone health. Soak in a warm bath with 2 cups of Epsom salt, 3 times a week. While soaking, do gentle stretches to promote joint mobility and flexibility. By keeping your bones strong, you support your independence and mobility, allowing you to stay active and injury-free. 3. Keeps skin healthy and youthful. As we age, our skin tends to become drier, less elastic, and more prone to wrinkles. Epsom salt acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting healthy circulation. Its sulfate content helps the skin retain moisture, while magnesium soothes inflammation, reducing redness and irritation. How to use it for skincare. For face scrub. Mix 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt with your regular cleanser, olive oil, or honey. Massage in circular motions and rinse with warm water. For body scrub, combine 1 cup of Epsom salt with coconut or olive oil and a few drops of essential oil. Use before bathing for smooth, glowing skin. Many people in their 60s and 70s who use Epsom salt regularly notice visibly healthier skin, often receiving compliments from friends who think they've had cosmetic treatments. 4. Relieves joint and muscle pain. Whether you experience arthritis, soreness from exercise, or general aches and pains, Epsom salt can help reduce pain and inflammation. Magnesium relaxes tight muscles and blocks pain-triggering chemicals, while sulfate supports the proteins in your joint cartilage. How to use it for pain relief? For a localized soak, dissolve 1 cup of Epsom salt in a basin of warm water and soak the painful area for 15 to 20 minutes. And for a full bath, add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak for full body relief. Many hikers and active seniors find that regular Epsom salt baths help them stay pain-free, even after strenuous activity. 5. Boosts circulation and heart health. Poor circulation can cause cold hands and feet, fatigue, and even increase cardiovascular risks. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps relax and open blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing strain on the heart. How to use it for circulation? For a simple way to boost circulation, try a foot soak by adding 1 cup of Epsom salt to warm water and soaking your feet for 15 minutes. If you want full body benefits, immerse yourself in a warm bath with 2 cups of Epsom salt and let it work its magic on your entire circulatory system. Many people who regularly soak in Epsom salt report warmer extremities, less swelling, and improved heart health. 6. Reduces swelling and fluid retention. Swollen ankles, feet, and hands are common after standing for long periods or due to medications and health conditions. Epsom salt helps draw out excess fluid from tissues, reducing swelling. How to use it for swelling? To reduce swelling, try adding 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soaking for 20 minutes. If the swelling is in your legs, elevating them while you soak can enhance the effect and provide even better relief. Many people recovering from knee surgery have found Epsom salt soaks drastically reduce post-surgery swelling, helping them heal faster. 7. Supports digestion and relieves constipation. Epsom salt can gently relieve constipation by drawing water into the intestines, softening stool, and making bowel movements easier. Important guidelines for internal use. Use only USP food-grade Epsom salt. Start with 1/2 teaspoon in a full glass of water, drinking it occasionally, not daily. Consult your doctor before using internally if you have kidney or heart conditions. Even if you don't take it internally, the magnesium absorbed during baths relaxes digestive muscles, improving gut health. 8. Detoxifies the body. Our bodies accumulate toxins over time from pollutants, processed foods, and medications. The sulfates in Epsom salt help flush out toxins, while warm baths encourage sweating, one of the body's natural detox pathways. How to use it for detox? Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. For an extra boost, add 1/4 cup of baking soda to neutralize chemicals in tap water. Epsom salt is a simple yet powerful natural remedy that can help with sleep, pain, skin health, circulation, digestion, and more. If you found this information helpful, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on natural health solutions. Do you already use Epsom salt? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.